Did you ever watch The Office? Were you an Office guy?
Oh yeah,
Yeah, you watched some of that?
I'm a fan.
Let me ask you, where...
The U.S. version.
Yeah, where did you watch?
Where on Netflix?
On Netflix, yeah. So you're like a lot of people. You binged it on Netflix at some point. I think I watched it probably prior to Netflix. I don't know where it was airing prior to that. But anyway, network show, high-profile show, popular show. The new streaming platform Peacock is utilizing The Office to drive subscriptions. It's their headline thing. So it's no longer on Netflix. And Peacock is, let me get this straight, NBC. And NBC
Yes.
is, NBC made The Office.
yeah.
Yeah, so I guess it's just coming home now that they have their own streaming service. But what's crazy about it, if you look at their plans, if you scroll down, all of them are in reference. Oh, you got the wrong article there.
Oh.
Yeah, you're on the top Netflix shows over there.
Oh.
You're maybe one too far.
Maybe I don't have it.
Oh, you don't have it at all. This one I'm reading is on The Verge.
Oh, is it this one?
There you go.
Oh, okay.
You got it. So yeah, if you scroll down on this particular article, you'll see the 3 plans that they're offering up. And it's funny because normally it would be, I don't know, it would be around the features that you have within the app. But this is like how much of The Office you get. You can see the base plan, which is free, is you get The Office season 1 and 2. And then you get some other movies, TV, and shows. But it's going to be have ads in it, the free model. If you want to unlock every episode of The Office, plus extended cuts and never before seen footage and deleted scenes, and you want to get the access to TV and whatever else, it's $4.99 a month. And then if you want all of The Office plus no ads, then it's $10 a month.
They're really servicing The Office. A very old show,
it makes me feel like there's nothing else I want to watch on there.
It just makes it weird.
But I guess there's enough super fans of The Office that they figured, you know what, let's just get right to the point because people want to know how much Office they're going to get and we can use it to upgrade people's subscriptions. I think The Office is maybe one of those comfort shows. People like to rewatch it.
Yes, absolutely.
And so maybe they just straight up, they're like, look, we know everybody's seen it, but this is a super fan base that likes to have access. And we think we're going to get $5 a month out of them if that's what they want. And $10 a month if they don't want the ads. It is a bit confusing though. And especially in the landscape of the variety of streaming services. Not only do you need to know all the streaming services you're supposed to have, but then you got to remember all the various tiers. Man, there were simpler times where you could just be like, it's on Netflix. Okay.
Or torrent everything.
Oh, right. Those times. Very simple. But now, I mean, it's Peacock and Hulu and Netflix, Disney Plus. We talked about Discovery Plus yesterday. Unbelievable stuff here.